Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to delete an Xbox game. To begin, power on your console and navigate to the main dashboard. From there, locate and select the My Games and Apps tile. This will open your full library of installed titles. Scroll through your collection and highlight the specific game you wish to remove from your system. This initial step is crucial for managing your console's storage effectively and keeping your library organized. Once you've highlighted the game you want to delete, press the menu button on your Xbox controller. This button is typically located on the right side, marked with 3 horizontal lines. A small menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, select the Uninstall Game option. You'll then be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirming will permanently remove the game and all its associated data from your console's internal storage. Deleting games is an excellent way to free up valuable storage space on your Xbox. Many consoles come with 500 gigabytes or 1 terabyte of storage, which can fill up quickly. To check your current storage, go to Settings, then System, and finally Storage Devices. If you frequently run out of space, consider investing in an external hard drive. These devices can easily add several terabytes of additional capacity, allowing you to keep more games installed. Don't worry, deleting a game doesn't mean it's gone forever. All your digitally purchased games are linked to your Xbox account, so you can always re-download them from your ready-to-install list within My Games and Apps. For physical disc games, simply reinsert the disc into your console to begin the reinstallation process. This flexibility ensures you can manage your storage without losing access to your favorite titles whenever you want to play them again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.